Welcome to our channel, the fastest and easiest to learn Arabic.
مرحبا، اسمي بن. أنا سعيد بلقائك.
Hi, my name is Ben. Nice to meet you. Do you want to speak Arabic from the first lesson? It is so easy, and it takes few minutes. Are you ready?
هل أنت جاهز؟ هيا نبدأ.
Let's start. Today we are going to talk about saying this in Arabic language with masculine and female forms. Asking a question in Arabic using what and saying, what is this for masculine and feminine forms. In addition, you will learn some new words. Arabic language has two words for saying this. The first is
هذا.
and we use it for masculine words, items and people. The second is
هذه.
And we use it for feminine words, items and people.
Let's see some examples.
هذا معلم.
هذه معلمة.
هذا ولد.
هذه بنت.
In Arabic language, to say what, you would say
ما.
to ask using it and say what is this? For masculine, it would be
ما هذا؟
And what is this? For feminine, it would be.
ما هذه؟
Let's see some examples.
ما هذا؟
هذا فيل. ما هذه؟
هذه بقرة. ما هذا؟
هذا كتاب. ما هذه؟
هذه كرة.
Class is over. Thanks for watching.
أشوفك بكرة.